It's a good machine. It's a 1956 model. It's in excellent shape. It's got 320 thousandths on the chuck, left on the chuck. I'll go ahead and start it up here. Start the spindle. Start the table up here. Shift a couple of the gears here. There's all 6 speeds. Move the table out. There's no coolant in it right now, but pump works fine. I don't know if you can hear that or not. Shut the spindle down. There's a coolant pump again. The rapid on the head works fine. There's up, down. Oh, I might want to show you the dresser here. I think I've got it preset where it should touch the wheel. Shut that back down. Here's the Magnetool 1000 watt variable pull magnet control. I'll set it up here full on first and show you. Got a block laying here somewhere to demonstrate with. This block is 2x3, and what the adage is that on full power you shouldn't be able to move that block. So there's 100%. There's chuck on, and it is very strong magnet. I don't know how good this will demonstrate on video, but I'll turn it down to say 30%. You can move it a little bit there. It's very controllable, and it releases fine. I'll show you that. You can hear the relay in the box here. This control is only 6 months old. I use the machine occasionally, but I don't have enough work to use it on a regular basis and justify keeping it. So that's about it. It's got in-base coolant. I've got it drained out right now. It's been a good machine. So that's about it. Thanks for watching.